Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Findr. So Findr is an AI search engine and the information that you get from Findr, it is not any random information. How Findr works is that it is going to connect to your apps. It could be Gmail, it could be Google Drive, it could also be Notion or any other apps. And once Findr is going to integrate with those apps, you can literally ask anything about your account on those apps. So if you connect Gmail, you can ask about various emails that you have got on your inbox. If you connect your Google Workspace, you can ask about the files that you have on your drive. And one of the best features is Findr is integrated with an AI. So once you have certain information about your email, about your drive files or about any other accounts, you can also ask various relevant questions about those to the AI. And Findr is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $400, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $39. There are already 4 reviews, all of them are 5-star reviews. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So you will get access to the AI powered search assistant. You have granular access controls and here are all the integration options. And you will also get access to all the current and future integrations with this Findr Appsumo deal. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy. So the tier 1 costs $39. That lets you add 1 user per workplace. You can conduct 100 searches per month. So how the search works, let me tell you. For example, you want to find information about a certain email. So if you search for that on Findr, this is how you can spend 1 search from this limit. And then there is also 100 chat with results per month. So once you search for something, you can also chat with the files that you get or the search queries that you get. So you can also chat with those queries, those files directly on Findr. And on the tier 1, you have 100 chat with results per month. Then you can also add 5 accounts per workspace. And you can also create 1 workspace on this tier 1. There is also tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. And the highest tier is this tier 5 that lets you add unlimited users per workplace. You can conduct unlimited searches per month. You have 5,000 chat with results per month limit. You can add unlimited accounts per workspace. You can create unlimited workspace. And you can also bring your own OpenAI API key for chatting with the AI. So if you want to buy Findr on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of Findr. So after you log into Findr, you're going to get this dashboard. And this is super simple, super sleek dashboard. There is literally no complications. It is super user friendly. So the first thing that you have to do is go on here, exactly on this section. So from here, you can connect your accounts. It could be Gmail, Google Drive, and there are also some other popular integrations such as Slack, Notion, Jira, Confluence, Teams, Microsoft Teams, Office 365, OneDrive, and there are also 3 other upcoming integrations that are also going to be super helpful. So these are Figma, GitHub, and Intercom. So as you can see, I have already connected my Gmail account. So here is that. And I have also connected the Google Workspace or the Drive. And the connection process is super simple. Just click on this add more. Once you do that, all of your accounts are going to appear. So all you have to do is just give permissions, certain permissions about those accounts, and then you can connect your Gmail, Google Drive, or any other accounts from here. So since I already connected these 2 accounts, let me show you how Findr is going to work. So for that, I'll go to this home, the home page of Findr. And then on this box, I have to provide my query. So first of all, I want to ask something about a certain email from my inbox on Gmail. So let's go there. As you can see, I have opened my Gmail account. Now I want to open an email. So I have opened this email that is a newsletter about AI. And as you can see on the title of this newsletter, we have this very intriguing title that is OpenAI Under Fire. So I want to search this exact query on Findr. So let's copy it. So now let's paste our query on this box. And now I want to click on the search button. So as you can see, as soon as I provided my query and hit the search button, I have got the exact result about this query and I have also got all the sources. So these are all the emails that Findr have found from my account. And the best part is once you have a certain query, so for me this is the query. So here is the AI, the chatbot AI that is very similar to ChatGPT. So obviously you're going to get all the emails, all the relevant files about this query, but the AI is also going to give you an answer in short. So as you can see, see 8 newspapers have sued OpenAI and Microsoft. Now I can also ask the AI literally anything that is related to this particular news or this particular email. So for example, I want to ask what's OpenAI's stance on this. Now send the message by clicking on here. So as you can see, we have also got the answer about how OpenAI is responding to this particular under fire news. Okay, so I have opened another email, an email from the account that I connected on Findr. So here's the email. So let's ask about this email on Findr. So here's our query and now I want to send it. So as you can see, after searching for this particular query, we have got the answer from the AI, and we also have got some emails that are relevant to this particular query. Now obviously I can ask some more questions about this particular query to the AI. For example, I can ask it to summarize this whole email. But another great feature of Findr is that you can also chat with certain email or certain file that you get on the search result. So for example, I want to chat with this particular email, 5 YouTube Shorts tips to explode your channel. So for that, I will just have to click on this chat with result. So as you can see, now the whole email has opened. Now I can ask anything that is related to this particular email. For example, I want to know what's the most important tip on here. So just send this message. So as you can see, now the AI has came up with the answer. So for them, the tip number 1, master the hook. This is the most important tip. And other than chatting with a file, we can also save a certain email. So just click on add to bookmark. So once you add a file, add an email or add whatever you want on bookmark, you are going to get that on the home page. So as you can see, currently we are on the home page and here's the bookmark that we added. So we can also edit this bookmark or we can also open this. So if you open, it is going to take you to the email. So now I have opened Google Drive. So there is a Word file or a Google Doc file on here that is about this particular company. So let's open this file. So here's the file, and on here you will get various information about this certain company. So the industry, when it was founded, location, overview, product and services, key innovations, and a lot more. So now let's ask about this company and see if the AI can answer those perfectly. So here's my question. Now let's send this. So the AI has given us exactly the answer that we are looking for, and we can also see the exact source of this result, and Findr has also came up with all the relevant files. And something I forgot to show you is there is also this app filter. So if you want to fetch result from a certain integration, you can select that on here. So if I only want all the results from Google Drive, I have to select it and then unselect all the other options. So this way I can filter the result. So now, for example, I want to send a cold email to this particular company and I want the AI to write that cold email. So let's ask that question to the AI. So here's our question. Now let's send this. So just see how amazing Findr is. It has obviously came up with the answer about this particular company from my files on Google Workspace. And once I ask for a cold email, it has also given me exactly that. So this is how you can utilize Findr by connecting various accounts, and the accounts that you can currently connect are these. So here are all the integration options currently available, and once you connect your account, you can literally ask for anything from those files. And on Findr, you can also get some stats about how many search queries you're sending. So in order to see that, just go on this particular dashboard, click on this metrics. So now you can see all of your queries, how many queries that you have sent, your search queries, as well as the chats that are initiated, and the metrics are going to be updated every 24 hours. And Findr also has an app that you can download. So I have already downloaded it. Now let's open this. So as you can see, here's their app. So just like the web app, you can also ask anything on here and the app is going to give you answer just like the web app. And if you're interested in the roadmap of Findr, here's that. So here are 2 features that are currently in consideration, and then you can also see all the planned features. So on here there is a really important feature, that is the white labeling, and then you can also see 3 features that are currently in progress, and you can also see 2 features that are completed or shipped to the product. And if you have a feature request, you can also submit that using this submit an idea. So overall, I think Findr is an excellent tool that lets you connect various apps. There are a lot of popular integrations such as Gmail, such as Google Workspace, Notion, Jira, Slack, and so on. So you can connect any of these apps and then you can chat with all the files, all the information that you have on those apps. And once you search for a particular query, you can also literally ask anything about that query to the AI. So if you want to buy Findr on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get all these features. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also tier 4 as well as tier 3. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.